couple leaving today, but we're on the way to Salcombe. Now, apparently there's a better car park than the one we chose last time. Yes, this is our second visit. First one was to a car park that was closed. This is the one we should have went to. Yeah. Whether there'll be any spaces in it or not is another story, but we'll see.
We'll give it a go. Give it a try.
Give it another try.
It is a problem with the popular little seaside villages here.
Yeah. I think you have to bear in mind that most of them are either villages or towns, and most of the time you go there, you'd be struggling to get more than 4 hours worth of entertainment over a place, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know, but if you combine it with shopping and things like that.
That's enough for us though, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're usually happy with that and come back and do something else.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even if it's just lounging around reading a book.
Well, look, it's an old caravan like ours there.
Oh, yeah. Bit of an adventure on the way here to Salcombe. We thought we'd have to abandon it because the main road in was closed. The police were there. Yeah. So we turned around with a view to doing something else. When we got back to the roundabout, the police had reopened the road. So we were able to head off, and then we found out what the problem was.
Yes. Some guy did, well, either his axle had broken or he'd hit the wall or hit something. But either way, there was a tow car there to tow him away, and also at the same time a guy who was doing a speed limit sign. So needless to say, the road was a bit congested.
Yes.
The park and ride is first, which is coming up, and I've just passed the sign there saying no bus yet again. I mean, why would you do that? The height of summer, I've got a park and ride and no bus. It just does not make sense.
Yeah.
So why would you want to take the park and ride and then walk for what, a mile and a bit?
Easily. And it's not so much to walk down, it's to walk back up.
Well, yeah, because it's all downhill, so really steep hill.
It's a long way.
So our neighbouring caravan told us, no, that this is the one you want. So I went, okay, fair enough.
It's always worth, when you're on a site, just chatting a little bit to your neighbours, because they'll have often been places and made the mistakes and can give you the right tips for where to go, and you can do the same for them. Yeah, this is that weird.
And we want to go down, don't we?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, you're fine. You need to go quick though.
And there's a P there.
Yeah.
That the one is the one we want. Here it is.
I'm getting by that wall up there, look.
Ah yes, the downside. Big outfit means big car, which also means small, tight spaces.
You can see that. Get in there still, can you?
Yeah, you can climb out. Time to lose some weight and be a really thin person. Now the car park is actually situated on a hill just behind those buildings on the left hand side, and as you can see there are steps that come down to this.
And once you come down from the car park, there's a whole row of interesting shops which are like units, including this high-end handbag and purse shop, which is a bit above my price level but really pretty. And then further on down the road there's craft shops and also some boat building shops. And here's one with an interesting ladder feature. I wonder what health and safety would say about that.
Hey, now this is interesting. A DIY shop, and actually it's got a chandelier in the inside of that. But I think Fiona was more interested in the art shops across the road. Tantalising view of the beach.
And then you make your way down towards the main drag, and ooh, funny little man. And what you will find is that many of the beachside houses are actually holiday homes, a very common thing here.
You will also pass some museums, like that's the RNLI one. But then it will open up into a general shopping area that you're used to. However, at this end, not your usual run-of-the-mill shops, and still fleeting glimpses of the main harbour itself. Well, it's busy. Now when you do get to the middle, you'll see that the area used to be a car park, which is now the centre hub of all the activities and where the sat-nav tried to take us on our first visit. However, if I position myself against the harbour wall, you can see there's actually a lot going on in that little square, from hiring boats to lunch, and well used, as you can see by the launching there. Now let me just whiz over this jetty. As you can see, there's loads more boats, and very much does turn into a marina. So you come in from that direction over there, because that's where the car park brings you out, and then you walk all the way around the seafront, and down the middle as we did, where all the shops are. You can hire boats here. I think it goes further around, but it does go up and out, because that's the road we took last time. That's what to do, isn't it? Have a little boat, take your dog for us. Oh, look. Oh, little kayaks. This paddleboarding life is really easy. Look, it's even got a football on there. So I bet it's going over to that beach across the way that I spied to play a match. Hey, well that's cool. Take your dog for a spin on the water, that's fine. Yeah, but come on, please wear a life vest. But on another one, life vests are plenty, even the dog's got one. You can just sit here and watch the world go by. There's a couple of girls over there with paddleboards. You're a bit snooker though if you've only got 3 hours to park the car. Isn't it?
Yeah, you are, aren't you?
That's why people go on that beach over there, because it's a National Trust car park over there. So consider that as an option then. Park your car and then it's unrestricted. You can be there as many hours as you like. Catch the little ferry back over. Do your shopping, go for lunch, do whatever you need to do, and then wander back. Not just the beach ferry, because they actually do cruises around here, as well as doing a taxi ride for various other places. And you never know what you might see. It's a working harbour as well, and there's some luxury boats might come past, or should you call them yachts. And you see, I've just sat down and it knows. It just knows. And there's a little ferry there. I think it just goes to the right here out to the beach. And there's a nice restaurant we found, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Gonna get a nice full-on breakfast.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called actually, this place. It says Salcombe Gin. Oh, the wardroom. There it is, the wardroom on that side.
There we go, yeah. On that big flag, look.
Oh yeah.
And then my much anticipated brunch arrives and you know who appears. And his little beady eye looking, is there any spare morsels for me?
Oh dear, narrow road syndrome strikes again. Oh look, the park and ride, where you can park, but not ride.
See, I got told off by the wife. She said she wants to buy that. It's nice. Can you see the price?
It's only £4.5 million, what are you talking about?
Now, we do know where that goes, because that's basically you up and out. So that is pretty much it. There is a private hotel here as well, which is obviously this one. Quite a nice view of the beach and harbour.
Private.
Yeah, I think it was worth coming here early to get a space. And look, tea for tonight gets sorted as well. Brucey for me, but Fiona gets a pie. as fish doesn't feature on any of her menus.
Forget the fish. It's now time for the South Devon roller coaster.
Fiona does have a point that we are in Start Bay caravan site, so we thought we must go to Start Point. So here we go.
So this is saying it's a dog leg. Go down and where? Turn left. Don't know where the left.
Up there.
Up there. Yeah. Oh.
That's the left.
Half a mile, turn right.
Cut the grass.
Yeah. There's
Car
cars
park.
here. Can we get
Are you taking a picture of this? Half a mile.
Yeah. Actual road?
If you met anybody, no. That's his place. Yes. This is fun. How much longer, Fiona?
A 2 mile and we're turning
Onto a road.
God, I don't know.
Because this one has grass growing in the middle of it. And I don't go any faster because I don't want it covered in scratches. Spend the next 3 weeks doing teacup. Look!
There are houses here, so people must go up down that road.
Turn
Another
right.
road like this.
I hope this is one way.
I hope so.
Ow!
There's going to be more here, Steve.
How many miles of this?
Oh, 1 mile.
Oh, right bend. Bring your caravan, not down this road. Wouldn't even fit down that one. Yep. And there's more. Do you think the proximity alarm's just given up?
Yeah. It hates you.
I think Waze, when it comes to Devon and Cornwall, do not use them. It takes down roads like this.
In half a mile, keep left.
The only godsend so far is that we actually haven't met any other traffic.
Yeah.
I think this might be it. Well, there we go. We made it.
Yeah.
So how was that for you then, Fiona?
Yeah, that was absolutely terrifying. But the route here is terrifying anyway, but we took the wrong route, which was even more terrifying. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this by liking, subscribing and pressing that little bell. See you next time.